Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweetening Designs. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in San Antonio, Texas. And guys, I have a really fun sneak peek to share with you today for the November Sweet Creations Club. If you are not familiar with my club, it is a monthly subscription craft kit that gets sent to you each month, and it is $39. It includes usually about a pre-cut project packets to make 5 projects, about $20 in consumable Stampin' Up! Products, and of course the PDF tutorial so you can follow along and make your projects, and of course the shipping to you. Now, if you are here locally in San Antonio and you want to pick it up or you want to craft with us each month locally, the cost is $34 to do that. And you're automatically billed each month so you don't have to worry about registering and missing a registration deadline. So the projects for November are just adorable. So we've done some Halloween, we've done some fall. Now we're getting into some really fun Christmas projects. And the projects for November feature the Sending Cheer bundle to make these really cute 5 projects. So I wanted to share with you a close-up of the projects and tell you how you can register. So this is a really cute one. This is a little card with a little gingerbread man on like a little cookie tray. This one has little stockings on mantle. And this one's just a cute little simple card with a gingerbread and the gift. This one is a no peeking. It's a little bit of a fun fold card. You open it up here, and you can also too open it up that way, add your message inside, and then just a cute little extra thing there. And also too, we're going to make a wooden gift tag holder, our little gift tag to put on your presents. Isn't that so cute? These are really simple. They are from Hobby Lobby. If you are looking to make bunches of these, super economical. You can go check that out over in like the party planning section, the wedding section. They usually have these like in 12 packs. So they're really just really add a nice little extra to your presents. Now, as I said, it does use the Sending Cheer bundle. So you will need to have this bundle if you would like to create the projects as I have designed them. Or if you have something similar in your craft stash, you can substitute with what you have. There are some inks that you want to have to be able to create them like I designed them, and that is Real Red, Pecan Pie. You got to make those little cute little gingerbread men, and Pecan Pie is perfect for that. And also to Shaded Spruce, and as well as a Memento black ink pad for your sentiments. Now, some really some adhesives, just really simple, your tape or multi-purpose liquid glue, some Stampin' Dimensionals, and mini glue dots. Now, registration for the November Sending Cheer Kit runs from now until November 5th, and then I will order all the supplies and prep them and then ship them out by November 15th. Now, just to give you a little bit of heads up about my Sweet Creations Club, right now I am currently at 70 club members. Now, I am looking to cap my club membership at 100. There's still plenty of room left to join, but once my club membership reaches 100, then I will shut it off. And in order to be able to join the club, we'll have to have some openings come available. So if you want to secure your spot in my Sweet Creations Club, make sure you go ahead and you join the monthly subscription so that you don't miss any of my future kits. So guys, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to register for the month or subscribe for the Sweet Creations Club. You can just click on my blog at simplysweetinkdesigns.com. Click on the top menu. There is an option for clubs and events. And then if you go click on that Sweet Creations Club tab, that will take you and share all the information about the club and how to subscribe. And also too, if you want to take a look at some of the past project kits that I've done, you can go and view that as well. All right, guys, reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'm looking to send you some happy mail in November. Take care. Bye, guys.